We normally hear about torque in the world of sports cars and motor racing, but torque is actually something that we encounter every day. So what is torque? Torque is a special type of force which causes an object to turn or twist. It is commonly known as turning power or rotational force. Wooden doors can sometimes be very heavy, but that doesn't mean that we need extra strength to open them. So how do they work? Well, a regular door has a handle near one end of the door and hinges on the other end. This is very important. The greater the distance between the handle and the hinge, the less force, that is pushing or pulling, we have to use to open the door. That's because the force we apply and the distance between the handle and the hinges work together to create what we call torque. Torque causes the hinges to rotate and makes it possible for us to open the door with much greater ease. So, in the case of tightening or loosening nuts and bolts, it can get quite tedious, and that's why the wrench is a very handy tool. The wrench, when used correctly, generates torque to turn the bolt, and this makes the work much easier and quicker. So we can say that torque is rotational force or turning power acting on an object located at a distance. But what does it take to generate torque? Firstly, magnitude of force applied. Second, distance from pivot point to point of force applied. And third, angle of distance, that's 90 degrees, from direction of force applied. But remember, force without distance gives us zero torque. Torque is therefore a product of force and distance, where F is force applied and D is perpendicular distance or force from pivot point. The SI unit for torque is Newton meters. So if you need your car to kickstart at top speed, perhaps a little more torque on the wheels could get you a long way. So we can summarize again and say torque is a special type of force which causes an object to turn or twist, commonly known as turning power or rotational force. Thanks for watching.